the key is to just work hard, and the more content I put out, the more I make the people see is the more opportunities I get, and I take the opportunities and I make use of it. Make use of it. Remember last night, me come a massacre show.
Yeah.
It make use of the opportunity. Me go so take a look at video,
Bro.
post the video, and invite Massacre as a collaborator. I didn't ask the man, but I'm saying content and making use of your space and opportunity is the best thing you can do for yourself.
The worst he could do is not accept it.
Yeah, not accept it.
That's the worst that would happen.
Yeah.
The best is he does accept it and anything from there.
Bro, right now, because the other day when I met Kartel, I was saying in that moment, man, me just meet the man for the first time and I ask him for no picture. And it's like, while Kartel is talking to me, he's talking to me as if he knows me. So I'm like, okay, yo, want a picture? He said, oh, you mean, man?
Yeah.
Took a picture. The person that took the picture was like, did you say picture or video? Because me knows him don't take the picture already. I'm saying, what you mean picture, bro? Me say, I want a video. I know, see, Kartel had the videos with everybody. And I say, yo, I have to make my video different with Kartel because everybody and their mother get video. But Ricky, oh, you gonna make it different. When him say action, Kartel depa, and before me even say something, I say, people, a Ricky Platinum and a DJ Palmer. You see me? And all I wanted him to say was whatever he had to say. But for him to say, AKA Vybz Kartel and Ricky Platinum, it's like him know me. Him tell me, say him listen to my SoundCloud. Him actually hear about Ricky Platinum. So it's not like no running thing or no groupie thing or whatever. For a man to know you and rate you at the same time and give, because everybody that's on the Kartel show, you have to get approval from the boss himself, TJ Records, big up, you have to get approval. It's not like, say, you're going to get booked and you have to be on it because such and such, say. But you have to get approval. But that opportunity that I took to take the picture and that video and I posted up, be a people that link me and I say, yo, even though they wanted to book me, the first conversation, the first words out their mouth in the conversation is, boy, me know I said the bookings price gone up. How much you gonna charge me that time, yeah?
Well, at least the conversation is much easier.
It's much easier because validation from a lot of people can lead to more success, charging more and all these things. And you as a general, you can't act like you're too hype or you're not humble enough to say, all right, then I'm going to push this out. Because only person like that say, yo, who Ricky think him is? Like, look what him, boy, press, boy, a groupie. Yeah. But them not know, say, the thing turn up, you know. The thing did turn up a long time ago, but it turned up even more.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Right now, nobody can question me. Like a promoter can't hear see me I charge $5,000. I say, why you charging $5,000? You know, see me Instagram. You know, see who rate me. You know, see the big show me upon in December.
And you know the wildest thing about that, bro? You said this year, it seemed like, okay, yeah, you did stuff. But it's the last show of the year that's the biggest impact for you right there. Yeah, the last one.
The last one, the last day. The last one. And you have to, and I told the promoters, I said to them straight up, thank you for choosing me to be a part of this concert, because you don't have to link somebody from America, buy their plane ticket, fly them to Jamaica, put them in a hotel, the time where the hotels is the most expensive, still pay them and make sure them good. You didn't have to do that because I'm coming from America. That's another money when I've got to spend when you could have easily link somebody where willingly for do it for free and say, yo, you want the Kartel show? Boom, forward, free. You know what I'm saying? But for the promoters and for link me and just see the use in my talent for get booked for the Kartel show, I'm just grateful. You know what I mean?
Because that's what I was going to ask you earlier, Adija Palmer.
Yeah.
Ricky Palmer.
Yeah.
I was gonna ask you if you guys were family or anything, but this was the first time you guys actually linked.
This is our first time we actually link. This is the first time we actually link, and when I was talking to him, he was like not looking at me, but he was just listening to what I'm saying. I said, yeah man, Ricky Palmer, and him look back, him say, dog, like him I say, yo, like it was like a relief, like me finally get to meet or whatever the case may be, because even when he was incarcerated, like some of my videos that I will post up, he'll repost it and just give me a thumbs up and say bud or something like that. And I said to myself, like, man, I will never meet this guy. Like, you know what I'm saying? Even when he do come out, it's gonna be such a hassle to even link up with Kartel, and that's what I reason with him. And the way everything happened, big up to Art while it was at his birthday, but she was just there chilling, just chilling. And for me, for just forward and him, like really recognize, because there's a man who was just chilling and sitting on and nobody now bother him, you know. For him to just jump up and get up and say, yo, make you take that picture. No one could have just sit down and say, yo, make you take a picture just like this. But the respect what him offer me, bro, I really appreciate it. And it's just the sake of hard work. So big up Adija, Palmer, you know everything.
No, definitely. Because the thing with it, you could have linked him on Zoom. It could have been a WhatsApp. It could have been a FaceTime. But you were on the ground. So did you fly in just to deal with that and then fly back? Or you just happened to be in and everything connected?
No, honestly, that's why I say everything happens for a reason. R12, top jeweler in Jamaica, big up. He was having a birthday bash. R12 is my friend. And I felt like I have to be there. I felt like it would be a good gift to just be there for my brethren and turn up in parties. So I was there, and I actually was like, let me just knock out, you know, 2 birds with 1 stone. And I said, while I'm there, I'm going to link up with Joe and Scatter and sign some paperwork for the show. And I'm like, okay, cool. That was the night before I linked Joe and Scatter them. So while I was in the event for R12, my brethren linked me and say, yo, you know, Kartel back here, so forward, stunner boom, big up yourself. Him say, forward, everything good, man, everything good. And I was there with Prince Royal, big up Prince Royal. He's actually going to be playing alongside me for the Kartel show.
Yes.
Me now go up there by myself.
You did say that you're bringing along.
Yeah.
If a DC man gets a break, you're bringing a next DC man.
Yeah. And that's me, bro. That's me, bro. And big up Prince Royal because he never asked me. And I'm like, yo, bro, I have this opportunity, more you forward. You get what I'm saying? Not a lot of people can kind of like walk them bridging through the doors. That's a big door right there. But yeah, when I heard that he was there, him say, yo, come, let me introduce you to him. I'm like, okay, cool, I'm gonna go back there. So, and it's like, we was like blocked off, and TJ Records recognized me. And I've met TJ before, but it wasn't a situation where I say, yo, I'm a dog this, I'm a bridging this. But the respect was there, like, yo, he appreciate my hard work. And it's like, yo, forward, man. And it's like, TJ's like, they're like, yo, you know, say, Kartel, like, I want to leave soon, so I don't know if me can't get a picture and nothing like that. And then right there, sir, and then TJ walk away to go handle some business, and I was right there. So just imagine Kartel right there, so me just stand up right there, sir, and I'm just like, yo, should I say something? If I don't say nothing, I go back at the hotel and say, Ricky, should I say something, you know? So me say, yo, bro, me just want you remember my name, you know, Ricky Palmer. And the man said, like him see one ghost, and just, man, it was like, me have some things planned for Freedom Street. I can't go out there regular. Me have some things planned. And I was showing him what the things that I had planned, and the man say, yo, this I got mad. Him say, yo, you gotta make sure this happen. And I say, yes, bro. Man, I say, yo, like, it was a situation where I know I could have had a 30-minute conversation with him, but for the sake of not overstepping the boundaries, I say, yeah, man, I can take a picture and me just cut. Because I don't want no artist feel like, say, I'm one of those annoying people who know them in at the link. Like, if me and you cool, we're cool, but me not going to overstep my boundaries and dip on your back, you know what I mean?
You just cool out and let them do their thing. If they forward back to you,
yeah, and that's a situation all the time, bro. That's a situation all the time when artists see me it's like, and this is not in no hype way. This is like, damn, these youths really respect me. When an artist see me, they'll make their way like, Ricky Wagwan. Like, it'll be a situation like that. Like, them really rate and respect me, bro. Like, the things that I went to downtown the other day when I went there, and Harry Toddler was there, and I said, Wagwan, bro. And remember, I never met him before. The man shake me and I said, yeah, man, respect, man. Ricky Platinum. The man said, bro, I love what you do with the business, bro. I love it.
Yeah.
And I'm like, thinking of like, it must got to be the content that he's seeing, the work that I'm putting in, that he's actually acknowledging what I'm doing. So I must be doing something right.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.